our decimal tip of the day from Mistress Theophilus. Here are a few steps when adding or subtracting decimals. First, you line up the decimals, then you place your holder zeros, and then you are free to add or subtract as usual. Let's try one or two. Let's practice. So here we have 46 and 7/10 plus 2 and 89 hundredths. Now when we are to line up our decimals, we have to be sure to make sure that the two decimals are lined up underneath each other. Okay? Just like this. So we're going to write 46 and 7/10. And then we have to we're going to line up our decimal point for the second number here. And from the decimal point, we have a 2. And then we're going to put the 89. Okay, and then we put our addition sign. And we're going to attempt to add. Now, that was the first step to make sure that we line up all the decimals. And then the second step told us that we must put 0 as a holder. And that means that where there's an empty space, like there's an empty space on the top of the 9, you just put a 0 there so that you know that that means nothing. And now you're going to add. So we have 0 plus 9 gives us 9. Then we have 7 plus 8 that gives us 15. So we put the 5 there and we carry the 1 on the top. And then we have 1 plus 6 that gives us 7. And 7 plus 2 gives us our 9. And then we have our 4 right here that we're just going to bring down. And we're going to put our decimal in position. And so our answer is 49 and 59 hundredths. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, so let's do some more practice. So here we have 35 and 6/10. Subtract 9 and 67 hundredths. So let's get that down. We're going to write 35 and with our decimal, 35 and 6/10. Subtract, and don't forget we put our decimal down first, so our decimal's lined up. And then we'll put the 9, and then we'll line up the 6, and then the 7. And remember, okay, let's draw our line. And then we put our 0 as a holder. So we're going to put our 0 here on top of the 7 where there's a space. And now we are free to subtract. And so from the looks of it, we know that 0 cannot take away 7. And so we have to rename this 6 with a 5. We borrowed 1 from the 6. And we made it 5. And so that 1 is going to go in the front of the 0 to make it 10. So 10 take away 7 is going to give us 3. And so now we're in the 10ths column. And we see that 5 cannot take away 6. So now we must go over to the 5 and borrow. We're going to make that 5 a 4. And then we're going to put that 1 that we borrowed to make that 15. Now 15 take away 6 is going to give us 9. And just so that we do not forget, we're going to line up our decimal right here. We don't have to wait until the end. And so now we're here with 4 take away 9. And we know that 4 cannot take away 9. So we're going to rename this 3 or borrow from this 3. And we're going to make that a 2. And the 1 that we borrowed from it, we're going to put in the front of the 4. So now that we have 14. And our 14, we're going to say 14 take away 9. 14 take away 9 is going to give us 5. Very good. And so we have a 2 here that's going to take away nothing. And so we just put our 2 there. So what is our decimal, boys and girls? 25 and 93 hundredths. Very good. Excellent job. Great job today, boys and girls. Thank you for your excellent participation. And remember, continue to practice adding and subtracting with your decimals. See you soon.